Hi, it's Adam Hewson, and I'm coming to you as always from the digital studios of Market Club. And today we're going to be looking at one of the iShares, the MSCI Brazil Index Fund. That's an ETF, and the symbol for that is EWZ right here. I'm going to just let me underline that so it's very clear. EWZ, and that's the Brazil Index Fund, and that is an ETF. And this is looking really nice. I like the way this market's setting up, and as you can see, like many markets, it had its big highs in 2008, and then it just basically crashed along with all the world markets, and then it's had a nice move up, and it's we've got this sort of pattern going here. And what I like about it is we can draw some very important trend lines into this market, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So we'll go up to the trend tool. All you have to do is just click this little box here, and you get a little dialog box here, and you simply go to the highest point, like we're going to go here, and drag this down. And as you see, and I'll show you in just a second, I'm also going to draw a line from here, just about pretty perfect. So this is coming to the apex of this triangle, and I think what's interesting is this is how we see things. We have the high here, and then we have come down, and we've got the 3 points. This is what we look for in a trend line. Here's the 1 point, 2, 3, in this case 4. So even getting 4 is even better. We've broken out to the upside. Now we showed this in our last webinar that we had on this particular ETF, and that was about a week or two ago. So since that time it's gone up nicely, and it looks like it's going to be closing in some nice ground right now over this previous high, which is good. What we like about this is this type of formation normally is a continuation pattern to the upside. You've got almost, some people would call this a flag, and you can measure from this point here up until here, and then you can take that same measurement, and we'll just take it roughly 30, let's say, up to this high here is 80, so it's 50. We add 50 to this level here, and that takes us up to 110, which is actually new high ground. That'll take it into new high ground. So I would say any kind of pullback in this particular ETF, you want to be looking to get long. If we close over the 75 level, you definitely want to be long. And let's take a look at our trade triangles and just how beautifully they've captured these moves. So I'm going to take everything off the screen, and I'm going to put our monthly trade triangles in. And as you can see from our reading here, we have a plus 90, which is a very powerful uptrend in place for this market. You can see, judging by our trade triangles, we basically got nicely out of the market here, nicely in here. We got a little sidetracked here, but didn't lose any real money. We just got in again. And it's interesting how the trade triangle came in just when we broke over this line. It has nothing to do with this line. It's an algorithm we've developed. But it looks to me you've got the trends here, here, sort of sideways. Now we're heading up. Looks like we're heading up in this ETF, and we're looking for it to go to 110, or to at least challenge these old highs. Here's Adam Hewson for Market Club and the trade triangles. Don't forget to watch those very carefully, as they do show you the way to profits. Enjoy the day.